Alright, so compression test is being sent. This side is all good. What's up, guys? It's another day. It's Saturday here in my shop. As you guys can see, I got all my cars here in the shop. They're all hooked up to each other because, battery died on this one as well from doing all the compression tests. So all my compression good. So let me, I didn't write the last one. It was 215, all within a spec. So nothing really happened to the engine, no bent valves or anything. So I don't have to pull the heads out of it. That's really good thing. So not pulling the heads. The only issue I'm gonna have right now is I got a car running, but I got my vents out, my exhaust vents. The only issue I'm having with my intake blew out. So around, I lost a couple screws right here. I'm gonna have to go and get some. But so losing a couple screws, I also lost the corner of my intake right here, which sits inside here. So that thing came off and I'm missing this piece right now. And the reason that happened, so I found out yesterday when I was pulling all the injectors out and everything, my engine was flooded. It had a lot of gasoline in my pistons down sitting in my valves, intake valves. So my engine was flooded and my battery on the car was dying. So when I hit the button to crank, it started cranking, then it stopped. I shut it off and I went to hit it again, and that's what actually backfired and then blew my intake out. So that's my theory. So I don't know if there's anybody else out there thinks there's another way of doing it, or there's a different kind of things being done. But that's what exactly happened. So flooded the engine, blew the intake, caught on fire, put a fire out. Now I've got to deal with all the mess. Still cleaning out everything. But what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna clean all this up, wash everything down, and put everything back together. See, I hope I didn't bend my fuel rail, because that thing ripped from here, and these two guys stayed in, and every single one, they just came with the rail out. So I don't know. So tell me what you guys think about it. I'm gonna be putting it back together the way it is. See if I can just reuse the intake until I get a new one in, because I really don't feel like keeping my car here in the garage and not moving it back and forth or whatever I need to do with it. So I'm gonna reinstall everything, put the plugs back in. The plugs, everything looks really good. I'm gonna reinstall everything, put everything back together, and charge the battery. I think I still have the warranty on this one because I bought it last summer. I'm gonna go change the battery, actually get a new one, and go from there. Well, you guys subscribe, hit that like button, and make sure to follow with the videos to find out what happens. Because how's this one? 215. Perfect. Other one. What do you think? He's alive! Damn, this baby's dirty. That fire extinguisher did itself. Alright guys, we got everything back together. It runs really good right now. Alright, we got interior a little bit. Oil temperature. And everything looks good. mix it with actual flames would hit it. It kind of looks pretty cool right now. It was burning up a little bit. Thank God it didn't catch fire big time. So otherwise, boom, the shop goes boom. All right, guys, let's see how good she revs. Oh. Alright guys, she's nice and clean right now. Just gotta wipe her down and she'll be ready to go. All hooked up and done.